African Civet documentary, Master of the Night. Deep in the heart of sub-Saharan Africa, when the sun sets and darkness blankets the savanna, a mysterious creature emerges from its daytime sanctuary. The African civet, Civetictis civetta, with its distinctive spotted coat and mask-like facial markings, begins its nightly prowl through the wilderness. This remarkable carnivore, often mistaken for a large cat despite being more closely related to mongooses and hyenas, represents one of Africa's most fascinating yet least understood nocturnal predators. The Phantom of African Nights. The African civet stands as a testament to evolutionary adaptability, perfectly designed for life in the shadows. Measuring up to 3 feet in body length with an equally long tail, these medium-sized carnivores possess a unique blend of feline grace and mongoose cunning. Their most striking feature is undoubtedly their coat, a canvas of black spots and stripes painted across a grayish-brown background, creating natural camouflage that makes them nearly invisible in dappled moonlight. Their elongated snout houses an extraordinary sense of smell, while large, rounded ears capture the slightest sounds in the African night. These sensory adaptations make the civet a master of stealth, capable of detecting prey, predators, and potential mates from remarkable distances. The civet's semi-retractable claws and robust build allow it to navigate diverse terrains with ease, from dense forest floors to rocky outcrops and woodland edges. Territorial masters of scent. Perhaps no aspect of civet behavior is more fascinating than their sophisticated communication system based on scent marking. African civets possess specialized scent glands located near their tail base, capable of producing a potent, musky secretion known as civetone. This substance has captivated humans for centuries. It was once more valuable than gold in ancient trade routes and remains a prized ingredient in luxury perfumes today. The civet's territorial behavior revolves entirely around these scent markers. Males and females alike establish complex networks of scent posts throughout their territories, creating an invisible map that communicates ownership, reproductive status, and individual identity to other civets. A single civet may maintain dozens of scent marking sites across several square kilometers, revisiting and refreshing these markers nightly during their territorial patrols. This scent-based communication system is remarkably sophisticated. Research has revealed that civets can determine the age, sex, health status, and even recent dietary habits of other individuals simply by analyzing scent markers. During mating season, these chemical messages become even more critical, allowing potential partners to assess compatibility and reproductive readiness from a distance. The omnivorous opportunist. As darkness falls across the African landscape, the civet transforms into a highly efficient foraging machine. Unlike specialized predators that focus on specific prey types, African civets have evolved as opportunistic omnivores, capable of exploiting virtually any food source their environment provides. This dietary flexibility has been key to their widespread distribution across sub-Saharan Africa. Insects form the backbone of the civet's diet, with beetles, grasshoppers, termites, and ants providing essential protein throughout the year. Their keen hearing allows them to locate insect colonies by sound alone, while their strong claws make quick work of excavating hidden prey from bark, soil, or decaying logs. During termite emergences following seasonal rains, civets may consume thousands of these protein-rich insects in a single night. However, the civet's menu extends far beyond arthropods. Small mammals such as rodents, shrews, and occasional young birds fall prey to their opportunistic hunting style. They are skilled at raiding bird nests, consuming both eggs and nestlings when the opportunity arises. Reptiles and amphibians also feature regularly in their diet, with frogs being particularly favored during the wet season. Perhaps most surprisingly, African civets are accomplished frugivores, consuming a wide variety of fruits, berries, and even roots. This plant material can comprise up to 60% of their diet during certain seasons, making them important seed dispersers in their ecosystems. Their ability to digest and process plant matter efficiently allows them to survive periods when animal prey is scarce, demonstrating remarkable metabolic flexibility. Social dynamics and reproduction. Contrary to popular belief, African civets are not strictly solitary creatures. While they typically forage alone, complex social interactions occur regularly, particularly during the breeding season. Males maintain territories that often overlap with those of several females, creating a loose polygynous mating system. Courtship rituals are elaborate affairs involving extensive scent marking, vocalizations, and physical displays. Males produce a variety of sounds including growls, barks, and strange coughing calls to attract females and warn off rival males. The intensity of territorial disputes can be fierce, with males engaging in violent confrontations that may result in serious injuries. After a gestation period of approximately 64 days, females give birth to litters of 1 to 4 young in secure dens located in hollow trees, rock crevices, or abandoned burrows. Civet kits are born blind and helpless, requiring intensive maternal care for their first several weeks of life. The spotted coat pattern is present from birth, though it becomes more pronounced with age. Mothers are extraordinarily devoted to their offspring, rarely leaving the den during the first weeks except to hunt. As the young mature, she gradually introduces them to the wider world, teaching essential survival skills including hunting techniques, territory navigation, and the complex art of scent communication. Juvenile civets typically remain with their mother for up to 1 year, learning the intricate behaviors necessary for independent survival. Ecological significance in conservation. African civets play crucial ecological roles that extend far beyond their position as predators. As seed dispersers, they contribute significantly to forest regeneration and plant community diversity. Many African plant species have co-evolved with civets, producing fruits specifically adapted to attract these nocturnal dispersers. Their impact on insect populations is equally important. A single civet may consume thousands of insects nightly, helping to control agricultural pests and disease vectors. This natural pest control service provides immense value to human communities, though it often goes unrecognized. Unfortunately, African civets face mounting pressures from human activities. Habitat destruction, particularly deforestation and agricultural expansion, has fragmented their territories and reduced prey availability. Road mortality has become a significant threat as transportation networks expand across their range. Additionally, they are sometimes hunted for their scent glands, meat, and perceived medicinal properties. Climate change poses emerging challenges, altering precipitation patterns and affecting the availability of both insect prey and fruiting plants. As adaptable as civets are, rapid environmental changes may exceed their capacity for adjustment. The future of Africa's night masters. The African civet's story is one of remarkable adaptation and resilience. These master nocturnal predators have survived ice ages, climate fluctuations, and dramatic ecosystem changes over millions of years. Their behavioral flexibility, omnivorous diet, and sophisticated social systems have enabled them to colonize diverse habitats across sub-Saharan Africa. However, the challenges facing civets today are unprecedented in their scope and speed. Conservation efforts must focus on habitat preservation, corridor establishment to maintain genetic connectivity between populations, and education programs to highlight their ecological importance. By protecting the African civet, we preserve not just a single species, but an entire web of ecological relationships that have shaped African ecosystems for millennia. As we continue to explore and document the secret lives of these remarkable creatures, one thing becomes clear: the African civet truly deserves its title as master of the night. In the darkness where most fear to tread, these spotted phantoms continue their ancient dance of survival, maintaining the delicate balance that keeps Africa's wild places alive and thriving. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.